Are there low-cost franchises with $200,000 net profit? Absolutely yes. And there are franchise owners in an emerging system you've probably not heard of that are seeing an average of over $200,000 profit with this low-cost franchise. Today we're going to take a look at a unique new franchise business that demonstrates profits that are actually rivaling some of the million-dollar investment fast food franchises. Today on Franchise City. Always remember that historical earnings is no guarantee that you're going to do as well. There are many factors you need to consider, including your own local demand, your own skills, your business goals, and a lot more. This business, they've only been around for a few years now, but they've done phenomenally well. They service customers in the renovation sector. Now remember, in these cases, the owner is not performing the renovations themselves. They operate the business in an executive capacity. So it does help to have some business or management experience. So in this business, you are hiring and managing the crews who are going out and providing this home improvement service. Head office, they deploy all the advertising so you have an immediate source of leads from day one. Little secret in franchising, the better the franchise opportunity is, the more selective they are in choosing who gets to operate in the territory. The more people they have applying, obviously, the harder it is to be that person who wins the territory. Now, we often in this system have several people who are looking at a single territory all at once, and many territories at this point are already sold out. There are no longer any territories available. You can contact us here at Franchise City to see if your city is available and begin the research and exploration process. So what's it cost to get into this business? Total investment, that's all in, between $75,000 to $100,000. Now that amount is going to vary depending on your location, how expensive it is to operate in your area, and what you already own by way of business equipment and technology. But that is your entire investment, includes your franchise fee, your working capital, and everything else. Now you compare that to most of the franchise restaurants that are out there that are over $1 million. This is a pretty strong ROI. Now also remember, these numbers we're going to share with you are from 2020, which was arguably one of the toughest years for businesses. But this is how much these businesses earned in 2020. So average gross sales for locations that were open at least 12 months, $448,000 with a net profit of $118,000. Locations open at least 24 months, average gross sales of $669,000 with median net profit of $216,000. Now that is not bad. Over $200,000 average, and many operators are over that amount for a $70,000 investment. Now keep in mind, these numbers also are from single territories. Many owners have expanded into multiple territories. Also keep in mind, this is a newer franchise, and as franchise systems grow, particularly at the inception of their business, their revenues are often going to increase. So those figures could potentially be higher year after year after year. So why doesn't everyone buy this franchise? Well, most importantly, they probably don't even know about it, right? Can you believe it's 2021 and some people still don't call Franchise City brokers when they buy a franchise? That's not my fault. If you want to get the best data, if you want to get the best opportunities, give us a call at Franchise City. Now, number two, operationally, they may not be good at or want to perform the functions related to this business, like hiring and managing crews. They may not want to deal with customers, right? They may just want to own a coffee shop or a burger joint. Everybody has different goals and objectives. No one single franchise is perfect for everybody. That said, if someone is willing to put in the work, has access to a smaller amount of capital, they don't want to deploy it on a huge business like a restaurant, and they just want a proven and profitable business, this could potentially be a great option. Now, you're going to need a minimum net worth of $250,000 to qualify. Liquidity of $75,000 is the minimum. Financing is available if you have all those things in OAC. If you'd like to inquire on this franchise or look at any other franchise, always call Franchise City Brokers. We've got access to the best opportunities out there. You can click the link above for that. Is a liquor store a good investment? I'm going to post that link down below. What about owning an ATM machine? That link is right here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.